Ever wondered how you could earn $10,000 a month without leaving your home? Today, explore 5 passive income ideas that can make this possible in 2024. Imagine a world where your income flows continuously, whether you're working, sleeping, or on vacation. This is the allure of passive income. It offers the potential for financial freedom, allowing you more time and flexibility to enjoy life. From digital platforms to real estate investments, the possibilities are vast and promising. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's uncover these lucrative opportunities. First up, automated dropshipping, a modern twist on e-commerce. Imagine having an online store where you never see or handle the products you sell. That's the core of dropshipping. In this setup, once a customer places an order, the details are passed directly to a manufacturer or wholesaler. They then take care of shipping the product straight to the customer's doorstep. Now, the magic ingredient here is automation. Various tools are available that streamline every part of the dropshipping process. From sourcing products to processing orders and managing customer service, automation can handle it all. These tools not only save time, but also reduce the margin for error, making your business more efficient and customer-friendly. Choosing the right niche is crucial in dropshipping. It's about finding a balance between demand and supply, ensuring the products have enough interest yet aren't saturated in the market. Equally important is selecting reliable suppliers. The quality of your supplier can make or break your business. A good supplier ensures product quality and timely delivery, which are pivotal to maintaining customer satisfaction and securing repeat business. In essence, automated dropshipping is not just about selling online. It's about smart selling, where technology meets commerce, opening up opportunities for entrepreneurs to thrive without the traditional hurdles of inventory and shipping management. Automated dropshipping simplifies online selling and can substantially boost your income with the right strategy. Next, building a digital products empire. Imagine creating a product once and selling it endlessly without any additional cost for reproduction or shipping. That's the beauty of digital products. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or design templates, these products can be a gold mine of passive income. Let's delve into how you can create and capitalize on these virtual assets. First, consider what you're passionate about, or what skills you have that others might benefit from learning. This could be anything from graphic design to digital marketing skills. Once you've pinpointed your niche, the creation process begins. Crafting an ebook or designing a course might seem daunting, but with today's technology, it's more accessible than ever. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even your own website can be used to host and sell your products. These platforms not only make it easy to sell, but also provide tools to help you market your products effectively. Speaking of marketing, it's crucial to drive traffic to your digital products. Utilizing social media platforms and email marketing can dramatically increase your visibility. Create engaging content that highlights the value of your products and entices your audience. Remember, the key is to offer something that is not only informative, but also unique and engaging. Lastly, focus on quality. Higher quality content leads to better reviews, more referrals, and ultimately, more sales. The effort you put into creating something valuable up front can pay dividends for years to come. Digital products offer an incredible return on investment, as they require little upkeep once created. Thirdly, let's talk about earning through dividend stocks. Imagine owning a slice of a company that pays you just for holding its shares. That's the essence of dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their earnings back to shareholders in the form of dividends. Now, the trick to succeeding with dividend stocks is not just to buy any stock that pays dividends, but to choose wisely. Look for companies with a solid history of stable and increasing dividends. This stability often indicates a healthy, profit-generating business. But how do you find these gems? Start by researching companies that have consistently paid dividends through ups and downs in the economy. Tools like dividend yield calculators and investment apps can be incredibly useful here. Remember, diversification is your friend. Spreading your investments across various sectors and industries can mitigate risks and enhance potential returns. And if you're looking to really amplify your earning potential, consider reinvesting the dividends you receive. This can dramatically compound your earnings over time. Dividend stocks can be a reliable source of passive income, especially if you reinvest those dividends to compound your earnings. Fourth on our list, real estate crowdfunding. Diving into the world of real estate investments might seem daunting, primarily due to the high capital usually required. However, real estate crowdfunding has changed the game, allowing more individuals to participate in property investments without the hefty initial outlay. This innovative approach pools funds from multiple investors, enabling them to collectively own shares in real estate projects, be it residential buildings or commercial properties. Various platforms facilitate this by offering a range of projects to choose from, each detailing potential returns and the duration of investment. Typically, these platforms manage all the operational aspects, meaning investors can earn passive income without the everyday hassles of property management. Getting started is straightforward. Potential investors simply need to register on a crowdfunding platform, browse through available projects, and select one that aligns with their investment goals. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the risks associated with real estate investments. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to tap into the lucrative real estate market with less capital upfront. Lastly, earning through content licensing. Imagine transforming your creative endeavors, be it photography, video production, or music, into a lucrative passive income source. This is where content licensing comes into play. Content creators can license their work to others who wish to use it in their own projects, be it for commercials, films, or even educational materials. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock serve as bridges between creators and users, offering a marketplace where your content can be easily accessed and purchased by anyone around the globe. These platforms handle the licensing and ensure that your intellectual property rights are protected, while you receive royalties every time your work is used. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to understand the demand in the market. Knowing what visual or musical styles are trending can guide you in creating content that's more likely to be licensed. Additionally, effective marketing strategies, such as using social media platforms to showcase your work, can significantly increase your visibility and appeal to potential buyers. Content licensing can turn your creative outputs into a continuous income stream. Now you have 5 powerful passive income streams to consider for 2024. Whether it's setting up an automated dropshipping business, creating and selling digital products, diving into dividend stocks, exploring real estate crowdfunding, or licensing your original content, each method offers a unique pathway to potentially achieving a substantial monthly income. The future is ripe with opportunities for those ready to invest their resources wisely. Start building your passive income streams today and watch your financial independence grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.